Hey everybody, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. We are Kay and Matt. And Matt, tell us where we are.
We are approaching the campground at Johnson Shut-In State Park.
Yay! And we have a really special weekend coming up for you guys. And we can't wait to show you, but we gotta get to the campground first. Stay tuned. We promised you a surprise. So your surprise is Skippy. Or not. It's the BeerbelliedTravelers. Dana and Eileen are here with us, and we are gonna go exploring today. So we're gonna start with Johnson Shut-Ins. And we have coffee, so we're good.
We do have coffee.
Matt, are you ready?
Yeah, I suppose.
That's as excited as he gets.
Yes.
We wanted to make sure that Dana and Eileen got to see the Johnson Shut-Ins while we were here. We're camping at the Shut-Ins, but they wanted to go see some other things too, but we wanted to make sure we got here in the morning because it's really cool. All right, come on along, guys. So you know how you're taking people places that you really like and you just can't wait to see their reactions? That's how I feel right now. I'm so excited. They're just gonna love it. You're gonna love it too. Stay tuned. Here we go. What do you think?
Oh yeah, stunning.
Very fun.
Beautiful.
Holy cow.
Thanks for the holy cow, I appreciate it.
Holy chicken.
Holy chickens. Oh. Welcome to Johnson Shut-Ins, guys.
mix of water and volcanic rock at Johnson's Shut-ins was a great way to start our morning with our new friends, the Beer Belly Travelers. Please make sure to go over and check out their channel if you haven't already. And until next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Keep on trekking.